name is Mario D'Andrea and I'm one of the senior managers within Crawley Council. I joined Crawley Homes in November 2012, having worked for another social housing provider for a number of years. What attracted me to the job was the advert. It said something along the lines of, do you wish to challenge your way of thinking? Do you wish to work in a non-traditional way? That really got my thought process. Crawley has allowed me and my team to develop the repair service and for its customers to be at the forefront of everything we do, and not led by a target which can be manipulated for a league table. I enjoy my job as it allows me and my team to experiment working in new ways. If things don't work out, we park them. We change things or we drop it, and it allows you to always put your customers first. Of course, let's not forget the excellent terms and conditions, the ability to work in an agile and flexible way, and the working hours and pension scheme are an added bonus. I hope to see you soon.